Let's go to page 257, and this is the chapter test. So this is to simplify, so you got 3xy3 squared over 6x to the 5, y to the 4. Okay, so again, whenever you have this kind of situation, you always have to apply the power rule first. Okay, so this one you can just go 3 squared is 9. This would be x squared, be y to the 6, and this one would be just the same. Okay, then after you can go and cancel 9 and 6. You can divide by 3, so you can get 3 and 2. Okay, so you can write it down before you forget. X squared over x5. When you cancel, you're going to have x3 left over on the bottom. Y6 over y4. When you cancel, you're going to get y squared left on the top. Okay. And so this is it. Okay, next one, you have m4 over 4n3 times by 2n3, 2n over m3 cubed. Okay, so you have to apply the power rule first. So m4 over 4n3. So when you multiply, you're going to get 2 to the 3 power, which is 8, n3, and this will be m to the 9. Okay. Then after that, you can go ahead and start to simplify. So m4 and m9, when you cancel, you're going to get n5 over here. 8 and 4, you cancel, you get 1 and 2. n3 and n3 cancel out, should be 2 over m5. Okay. Okay, next one. You got pq to the 4 times p to the -1 q squared -2. Okay, so again, first that's going to apply the power rule. So this would be p to the 2, and this would be q to the -4. Okay, then after that you can go ahead and, well, this one's going to cancel out, right? But if you don't see that, that's okay. Let's just go and flip this over. So just flip this over, and notice that we cancel out. So you just get p to the 3, okay? And that would be your answer. Okay, so you got u squared over v to the -2 power. You got v3 over u to the -1 power. Okay, so first let's go ahead and apply the power rule. So you're going to get u to the -4. Okay. Now let's go and write it better. There you go. Over v to the -2, and this will be v to the -3, u to the -1. Okay. Then after that, let's go and do the flipping. So this gets flipped to the bottom, this gets flipped to the bottom, this gets flipped to the top, this gets flipped to the top. Okay, then we can start to cancel things out. So this cancelled with that, give me v. This cancelled with that, I get u to the 3. And so I get 1 over u3v. Okay, number 5. Okay, so give each answer in scientific notation with 2 significant digits. Okay, so you got 2.1 times 10 to the 3 times 1.6 times 10 to the -5. Okay, so this one you can use calculator. Okay, so you're going to get 2.1 EE means the scientific notation 3 times it by 1.6 EE to the -5. Okay, equal, and you want to get into scientific notation. Okay, so, and it says 2 significant digits. So you have to, so 3.36, you have to run it out, so it becomes 3.4 times 10 to the -2. Okay, so you get 2 significant digits, you have to run it to 2 digits. Okay, number 6. Okay, you got 5.2 times 10 to the 2 divided by 1.2 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay, so you can scientific notation, use your scientific calculator. So you got 5.2 EE2 divided by 1.2 EE4 negative. Push equal and 2 significant digits. So it would be 4.3 times 10 to the 6. So you have to run up to 2 significant digits. Okay, number 7. So you have f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 over x squared minus x minus 12. Okay, when you're looking for domain and zeros, what you need to do is go and do the factoring. Okay, so you got f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, and on the bottom, okay, you need to go and you need to add to get negative 1, you need to multiply to get negative 12. So start with 1 comma negative 12, 2 comma negative 6, 3 comma negative 4, and that's the correct one. So you're going to get x plus 3, x minus 4. Okay. So first you need to look for domain. So domain would be equal to all real number except so so all the values are good except for negative 3, because negative 3 will make this equal to 0, so that's not allowed, and cannot equal to 4. Okay, so that's your answer for part A. So again, so domain is the x that you're allowed to have, so it can be equal to anything except for negative 3 and 4. Okay, for B, you're looking for zeros. So when you're looking for 0, you have to set this equal to 0. Okay, and again, you cross multiply, or you multiply with LCD, you're going to get 0. So when you cross multiply, this will equal, so it'd be, so cross multiply, you get 3x minus 2 equal to, and this will equal to 0. And when you solve, just plus 2 on each side, so you got 3x equal to 2, divided by 3, so x equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so your zeros, so this would be your zeros. So your 0 would be 2 over 3. Okay. So your 0 is when x equal to 2 over 3. Okay, let's go to number 8. So same type of problem. So f of x equal to x squared minus x minus 12 over 3x minus 2. So just the same as number 7, is except we got flipped over. Okay, so we know from the problem, we know from this 7, from problem number 7, the factoring is x plus 3, x plus 4. Okay. Okay. So again, this is just the number 7, flip it over. Okay. Okay. So again, to find the domain, you have to find out when will this equal to 0. So if you set it equal to 0, okay, divide by 3, so x equal to 2 over 3. So when x equal to 2 over 3, this will become 0. Okay, so that's not allowed. So again, when x equal to 2/3, it will make the denominator equal to 0. So your domain would be all real number except 2 over 3. Okay, so that's your, so all real number except 2/3. Okay, for part B, you're looking for the zeros. Okay, so when you're looking for zeros, you just set this equal to 0. Okay, so put it over 1. So cross multiply. So this will give you x squared plus 7x plus 12. Right? Well, this is, minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4. Okay. Okay, you should get back what you have originally. Okay, so minus x plus minus 12. So cross multiply, you get this and equal to 0. Okay. Well, actually, probably not a good idea. You don't multiply out because you already factored. Okay. So that way you don't waste time. You have to factor it again. Let's not do that. Okay. So cross multiply, you get x plus 3, x minus 4 equal to 0. Right. This times that equal to that. This times that give you 0. And since it's already factored, you can just solve. So you're going to get x equal to negative 3. And x equal to 4. Okay, so your zeros are negative 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, number 9. You have 6x with 3 over y squared. And this division, so I'm going to change in the multiplication and flip upside down. So we times by 2 over 3 x y. Then after that, I'm going to start to simplify. The only thing I can simplify is the x. So, oh wait, the 3 can cancel out, so let's do that. And the x cancel out, I get x squared. So I get 4x squared over y3. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 10. Okay, I got u squared minus 9 over u plus 2. Division, so I'm going to change into multiplication and flip it upside down. Okay, next step is I need to go and factor everything. So this is difference of squares, so factor into x, u plus 3, u minus 3. Okay, this one I can factor into u plus 2, u minus 2. Difference of square factor into conjugates. Okay, next let's go and cancel things out. This just go down the list. So this one cancel with this one does not cancel, this one cancel with this one. Okay. And so you end up with u minus 3 and u minus 2.